Everyone, once again welcome back to English class. So children, in this class today we'll read some short vowel a sound words. We have already done a, e and o sound words in videos. So this is the short vowel a sound words. So here we have to identify the picture and trace them and read them. So first picture is of drum. So how we'll read it? D r a m, drum. Next is b a n, bun. Next picture is of plum. P l a m, plum. J a g, jug. Up, up. Up, cup. Bug, bug. Sun. Hut. So children, in this way you have to read these words. This is in your English book. Here one more exercise in your English book on page number 21. In this exercise you have to read the words and match them to their picture. This exercise you have to do by your own. Okay students, thank you.